On a two lane road, car A is traveling with a speed, so VA is equal to 36 into 5 by 18, right? So that is 10 meter second inverse. Now two cars B and C approach car A in opposite direction with a speed, so VB is equal to, see, VB is equal to 54, right? And 15 meter second inverse, and VC is opposite to that, minus 15 meter second inverse. At a certain instant, when the distance AB is equal to AC, right, AB is equal to AC, both being 1 kilometer, so see, distance is equal to 1000 meter, right? B decide to overtake A before C does. What minimum acceleration of a car B is required to avoid an accident, right? So see here, uh, first of all, that distance formula, that is UT, right? These all are U's, right? Initial speed, right? UT plus half AT square, right? Now from this equation we have to find A. Again, we don't have T also, right? So first, what we have to find, we have to find that see, UA 36, right? 5 to the 36, 18 to the 36, right? 5 to the 10, and 54, 18 3s are, so 15, that's why. So V U BA is equal to UB minus UA, that will be 5 meter second inverse, right? And UCA, now UCA is equal to UC minus UA, that will be minus 25 meter second inverse, right? Now UCA, right, because B decide to overtake A before C does, so here we have to find that. So UC minus UA, and see here UC is we can also find UAC. If UAC will be there, that is 25 meter second inverse, right? So for timing, see here, formula is U is equal to distance upon time. Now what is distance? 1000 upon 25, that will be 40. So 40 is the time, and that is second, right? So here actually we have found that yes, we have found that T subject, right? So by subjecting T, we will get T is equal to D by U. What is D? 1000, and U is 25, so that will be 40 second, right? Now 40 second, now we have to put in this equation, right? So here again I am writing that D is equal to UT plus half AT square. Now what is U? U is 15, 15 into 40 plus 1 by 2 into A that we need to find, and 40 square. Here left hand side will be 1000, so 1000 is equal to 15, so 6000, right? Sorry, 600, right? Plus 1 by 2 into A 1600, right? Now 1000 and 600, here this will be negative, because see here B decide to overtake A before C does, right? So here B decides to overtake C, so what minimum acceleration of a car required? So here there will be negative sign, so that becomes positive left hand side, so 1600 is equal to 1 by 2 into A into 1600, right? So then we will get A is equal to 1600 by 1600, 2 meter second inverse. So here by mistakenly I have put the wrong value. Actually that formula is D is equal to UT plus half AT square. Earlier we found that 5 value in U, right, in UAB. If you remember that 15 minus 10, right, 15 is of this 54 kilometer per hour and 36 is 10, right? So that is 5 meter second inverse. Now 5 into 40 plus 1 by 2 into A into 40 square. Left hand side is 1000. So 1000 minus 200, that is 800. 800 is equal to 1 by 2 A 1600, right? So left hand side 1600 is equal to A into 1600. Now after calculating we will get 1 meter second to inverse. So that is the acceleration of car B is required to avoid an accident. So this is the acceleration to avoid the accident of car B.